सिलेंडर कुठं असतो इथलो पाहिजे रे ओके आमी आतां आसा FTA बांबोली हांगासर उजो पेटलेलो 5 इंचीन 2 येयल्ली आसा कोण इंजर्ड कांय जावंक ना कॉज ऑफ फायर अजुनूय डिसायड जावंक ना कितें तें काम चालू आहा तुमी पळयता ते आतां हिंगा FDA हांगा वयर बांबोलीम
तुम्ही आडून आशिल्लो फोन मार तेका रे
आमी ह्या बांबोलीम FDA ह्या बिल्डिंगेन थंयसर आतां उजो लागलेलो आहा फायर ब्रिगेडीचे मनीस सगळे येयल्या खंयच्या रुमान लागला तो तुजो खंयच्या लॅबान
FDA director inside. He'll tell you. It's there. Hey, तुम्हें तुमको plan ना.
Okay, store room, huh?
No, no. Sample analysis.
Sample analysis. लाईट घालता सगळं गेला कबार
सगळं हे झालं. शॉर्ट सर्किट असतं.
शॉर्ट सर्किट
डोर के तू ना मेरे
व्हेंटिलेटर ला का हायड्रो म्हणून का व्हेंटिलेटर ला हायड्रो काय घेऊ नका तू पहिलीचेच घे
पहिले
बरोबर आता हे परत आता हे सगळं सोपला ना रे वेगळी झाला.
चल नका पाहिजे नाही याची तुमची फायर आहे यो, तुम्ही या तुम्ही ते करा या रे तुम्ही या. उजो लागलेलो म्हणटा ते लॅब सॅम्पल लॅब हितून सॅम्पल चॅक करता पळय लॅब थिंगाच्यान उजो चालू जालो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली लागता ते सर्क्यूट असो जावंक शकता म्हणटा ते कित्याक आनी कोण नासलो थिंगा म्हाका आख्खो लॅब डिस्ट्रॉय जाल्लो हा लासून या ఇంకేం తెలియదు అట్లా हॅलो सांग हांव हिंगा भायर उजो लागला बांबोली या पावपाचें
अरे विचार करे
Hello. Hello.
Vale. तो जो पेटला तो सॅम्पल लॅबोरेटरी तिथून पेटला कोणाक काय इंजर्ड जावं ना कोण इंजर्ड जावंक ना सगळे सारखे आहा पूण एस्टिमेट आतां करतले कितें जालां आनी एक्झॅक्टली कशें परी जालें
सगळं बंद केला ना लाईटी बिटी सगळं सगळं बंद हे फॉल सिलिंगांचे ते वयर थर्मोकॉलर कितें आसता तशें आहा ते भितर फोमार ते पार्टिशन दोशी वाटे झाली मदीं पार्टिशन
भितर सोडून ते तुम्ही दार बीन भितरले तुमचे ते येते
ते पण बनलेले ते सुटले ते सिंपल बनलेले ते सुटले सर आमकां मातशें ब्रीफ कर मातशें ब्रीफ कर हिंगा भायर कर मॅडम अशें ओके कितें जालें एक्झॅक्टली मॅडम
There was a fire incident in the morning at around 11 o'clock. So fire incident, we could see the fumes coming out from the window. So immediately we called 101 fire brigade, and these people, fire personnel, they came and they controlled everything. So there is a
भितर कोण आसले
no. All people were evacuated from the both. This has happened in the microbiology department of the food lab. In one of the room.
The lab किती जाता
So we do the testing of the food articles over there. So it is like all the microbiological analysis takes happen over there, and there are the AHU systems also are there, and the high-end instruments are there, like autoclaves are there. So here, like one of the point we could see now, like the plug has caught fire, and the fumes, since it was a compact area, the fumes could not come out, so all fumes were generated inside, and this got spread over entire area.
दूर जाता
Lots of fumes were there.
डॅमेज आता मेरेन कळालं
Now we'll have to see now.
तो कितले सेक्शन्स
Only one room and the adjacent room.
इक्विपमेंट डॅमेज कोण
Not a second like that.
कोण इंजर्ड बी कोण जावंक ना
We immediately, first thing what we did was we told everyone to come out of the laboratory, and like fire extinguishers we had, but we could not help it because it was full of fumes. So nobody could go inside because of fumes. So that is the reason we immediately called the fire brigade people, and they came immediately and they took the charge.
How many staff are working in the lab?
In the lab around 60 to 50 to 60.
सर सफल ना सर एक लांब
आमकां अराउंड 11:03 वर्सा कॉल येयले फ्रॉम द FDA that there is a fire in chemistry laboratory. So we immediately turned out our vehicles with the fire. We also responded to the spot within short span of time. And when we came here, we found that one of the analyzing lab was under fire. So by using our water and we went, we doused the fire, and we saw that there's a dense smoke. So we had to use our PA sets, and then we used this one smoke extractor for extraction of the smoke. There were 4 LPG cylinders which were used in laboratories for their analyzing purpose. So we removed all four this one LPG cylinder and kept outside. And we found that in one of the lab there is some problem wherein fire has been originated. So we have instructed to them to take the precautions as required, and they will do the needful.
The cause of fire किती
Likely at the initial stage, we just predict that it may be due to the electrical short circuit at the incubator, wherein it is connected to the point, wherein damage has been found at that particular point. So other points are very safe, but we'll, with the help of electricity department, we'll see what is the cause of fire, and we'll also instruct the madam, director FD, to look into the matter for further investigation.
मेजर फायर जावं पावना बट फ्युम्स चड जाले ताकाच लागून
हां मेजर फायर जावंक ना पण तेंचो जो केमिकल लॅबोरेटरीचो सेटअप आसा इट हॅज टू बी एनक्लोज ऑन ऑल साइड्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट देर वॉज वेंटिलेशन
एक्सॉस्ट
वेंटिलेशन करपाक मेळोंक सो तो स्मोक आसलो तो थंयच कॉन्सन्ट्रेट जालो आनी स्लोली मागीर आमी जेन्ना येयले तेन्ना वी वेंटिलेटेड ऑल द दीस वन एरियाज and use your smoke extractor to remove the smoke from the area. And now it is safe. We are checked.
ह्या विकातली ही कितली सेकंड थर्ड कितली घटना ही ह्या विकातली
ह्या विकातली ही सेरेमेंटी जावन ही सेकंड
तुमकां कॉल कितल्यांक येयले
अकरांक
लॉस जाला टोटल
we will have to estimate because they have their highly sophisticated equipment for testing and all that. Because being a chemist testing laboratory, many equipments are involved in that. So we'll have to sort out. We'll have to sit with the director, FDA, and then we'll see.
So,
approx anything cost any cost approx
what is the advice to take the safety precaution in the lab? There is something missing or this?
Yeah, there are some IS specification for chemistry laboratory. When there is a laboratory testing, they have to take certain precautions as per their requirement. And usually fire department issues them this one, what precautions needs to be taken. And we'll again see all the areas and we'll see that fire prevention measures extra needs to be taken. Also the LPG gas cylinders as per IS 6044 needs to be kept outside, that we have already advised them. So segregation of cylinder as per their severity needs to be taken up. We have already discussed with the madam director FDA and we'll sort out the issue.
So in case of emergency, the exhaust is missing in the lab. They were having the exhaust.
Not so, because the see laboratories as per their requirement they might have certain procedures and in place. So it would have been constructed and placed in that particular manner. So we cannot say that, but it is as per their requirement.
sir any casualty in this
No casualty. No casualty.
Okay, thank you.
It is well done that those personnel who were present, they immediately evacuated themselves and they came to the assembly point and they called us.
Okay, thank you.
thank you sir
मॅडम परत
Okay. Number of director. As per okay. आता तुम्ही बायट ऐकल्या की आम्ही FDAचे पर्सनल कडेन विचारलें की तेणी सांगलें की हे शॉर्ट सर्क्यूट जावंक शकता कारण थिंगा एक प्लाग आसलो तो सारको डॅमेज आसलो आमी तुमकां दाखयला तो तेका एक कारण जावंक शकता म्हणटा ती आनी पुलिसीन सांगलें की आमचे फायर ब्रिगेड आसले फायर फायटर्स की तेणी ऑब्जर्व केला की ते लॅबान एक्झॉस्ट नासले एक्झॉस्ट वचपाक विंडो ओपन ना एज पर देर रिक्वायरमेंट म्हणटा तेणी ते रूम मारलेले तेका लागून तो स्मोक चड जाला चड व्हडलो फायर जावंक ना ओन्ली शॉर्ट सर्क्यूट जावन तो धुंवर जाल्लो चड त्या खातीर कांय लॉसूय कांय इतलें जावचें ना अशें म्हणटा ते थोडें उदक मारला तेणी तो ताजो इफेक्ट कितें जाता तो पळोवयात कितें भितर वचोनूच तेणी सगळें लायट बी घालून आतां सद्याक बॉन शटडावन केल्ले आहा तो एक प्लाग सारको लासलेलो आहा थिंगा तर कोणाक कांय जावंक ना सगळ्या लोकांक तेणी वेकेट केले ते रुमांतले तेन्ना धुंवर चालू जालो आनी तो चड धुंवर जाता तेन्ना तांकडेन तो कंट्रोल करूंक जावंक ना उजो पेटोंक नासलो पालोलो उजो पूण तो धुंवरान तांकां भितर सरोंक वचोंक जायना जालें ते खातीर तांणी फायर ब्रिगेडीक आपयलें फायर ब्रिगेडीचे फायर फायटर्स येवन ते आतां अंडर कंट्रोलान हाडला